Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv. Today, we're taking a closer look at the ASUS VivoBook 16, a 16-inch laptop designed to balance performance and portability. Whether you're a student, a professional, or a casual user, this laptop brings a solid mix of power and efficiency, all wrapped in a sleek, modern package. But does it live up to its promises? Let's find out. The ASUS VivoBook 16 is built around the latest AMD Ryzen 7 7730U processor, offering 8 cores and 16 threads, with a boost clock speed up to 4.5 GHz. That's plenty of power for everyday tasks like web browsing, productivity work, and light creative workloads. Paired with AMD Radeon graphics, this laptop handles multimedia tasks well, but it's not going to break any records in high-end gaming or intensive video rendering. You also get 8 GB of DDR4 RAM, which is decent for most people, but if you're multitasking heavily or dealing with larger files, you might feel a bit constrained. The 1 TB SSD storage is a great addition, offering fast boot times and plenty of space for your files, games, or media. Now, the display. The 16-inch WUXGA 1920 by 1200 screen with a 16:10 aspect ratio gives you more vertical space than the usual 16:9 screens, which is great for productivity and web browsing. The ultra-slim nano-edge bezels help keep the focus on the screen, and the 2V Rhineland certification ensures that it's easy on the eyes during long sessions. While it's not OLED or mini LED, the colors are solid for casual media consumption, and the brightness should be sufficient for most indoor environments. In terms of connectivity, the VivoBook 16 doesn't disappoint. You get a USB 3.2 Type-C port, a couple of USB Type-A ports, a micro HDMI 1.4, and a 3.5mm audio jack. Wi-Fi 6E ensures fast internet speeds, and Bluetooth 5 gives you seamless connections with other devices. For those who need to connect to external monitors or docks, it's all there. However, no Thunderbolt support here, so high-speed peripherals or external GPU setups are out of the question. As for the battery, the 50 Wh capacity should be good for around 7 to 9 hours of light use like browsing or office tasks. It's not going to get you through a full day of heavy work, but it's decent for a typical office or school day. The laptop weighs just 4.14 pounds, which is on the heavier side for a 16-inch laptop, but still fairly portable. It's 0.78 inches thick, so it's slim enough to slip into a bag without taking up too much space. When it comes to thermals, this laptop stays relatively cool during everyday tasks. However, during more demanding activities like video editing or extended web browsing with multiple tabs open, the fans do kick in. While they're not unbearably loud, they're noticeable enough that they might distract you in quieter environments. The keyboard is a highlight, though. It features ASUS's ErgoSense backlit chiclet design, which is comfortable for typing over long periods. The key travel and feedback are solid, and the addition of a numpad is a nice touch. Plus, the fingerprint sensor, integrated with Windows Hello, makes logging in a breeze. The trackpad is smooth and responsive, with decent palm rejection, though it's on the smaller side for a laptop this size. If you're used to larger trackpads, you might find yourself occasionally reaching for a mouse. So how does the ASUS VivoBook 16 perform in real-world scenarios? For office productivity, it handles web browsing with multiple tabs, document editing, and video calls without breaking a sweat. Streaming movies or shows looks good on the display, and the sound quality from the stereo speakers is clear, though not the loudest. For content creators, this laptop can handle photo editing and light video editing. But if you're working with 4K footage or using intensive software like Adobe Premiere, the Ryzen 7730U might show its limits. Gaming is doable at lower settings in titles like Fortnite or League of Legends, but forget about playing graphically demanding games like Cyberpunk 2077, unless you're happy with lower frame rates and settings. Speaking of performance, it's time to talk about FPS and thermals. Based on benchmark data, in games like Call of Duty Warzone, you can expect an average FPS around 50 to 60 at medium settings on the 1920 by 1200 resolution, which is reasonable for casual gaming. The laptop's cooling system does its job, but after extended gaming sessions, the keyboard and underside can get a bit warm. There's no significant throttling in day-to-day tasks, But under load, you might experience a drop in performance during long, intense use. The fans are audible, though not too intrusive, but it's not the quietest system out there. As for the value for money, the VivoBook 16 is priced reasonably for its spec sheet, especially considering the 1TB SSD and the 1610 display. If you're looking for a workhorse for everyday tasks, multimedia consumption, and light gaming or content creation, this laptop offers solid value. In the same price range, you might find laptops with similar performance, but the ASUS stands out for its larger display and decent battery life. However, if you're after something ultra lightweight or more powerful for serious gaming or pro-grade content creation, you might want to look elsewhere. In conclusion, the ASUS VivoBook 16 is a solid, well-rounded laptop that caters to students, office workers, and casual creators. It offers a good balance of performance, portability, and features, but doesn't quite hit the mark for heavy gamers or professional content creators. It's definitely worth considering if you're after an all-around, reliable laptop that won't break the bank. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more detailed reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and if you've already used the ASUS VivoBook 16, drop a comment below and share your thoughts. Until next time, stay tuned to Reviewsinside TV, where we bring you the latest on all things tech.